If you are a fan of this brand or advent calendar and you intend to fight me to the death and defend it with all your life, body and soul, please stop watching and go right away, because this is not going to be pleasant or kind at all. About 4 years ago, somebody brought Niche Beauty's advent calendars to my attention. The first one was all right, rather along the Harrods price range, and then the price started increasing. Last year they redeemed themselves by including a laundry detergent, and this year they've actually brought down the price by a good £20. The calendar looks like that. It's available for purchase, ships worldwide, I think, unless restrictions apply to some countries. This year's advent calendar costs £250, which is the same as Harrods, and for that price you expect real luxury, don't you? Very quickly, because this is on request, I know you lot wanted a laugh, which is why it was requested in the first place. Off we go, the first product. Lord have mercy on our souls. I'm not saying it is a bad product, but it is bloody everywhere. I think there's, Big Vader out there, like, Big Brother watching you and singing, that it is in every breath you take, every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take. I'll be following you. Every single day, every word you say, every game you every night you stay, I'll be following you. Right, let's move on and see if this calendar gets any better. The next one is from Dr. BS. You get a super anti-aging serum and face cream, 3 mils a piece. The first one, full size, is 30 mils and the second one is 50 mils. The 30 mils retails at £270. We only get 3 mils a piece, of course. The next product is from Dr. Levy. You get the micro skin roller. Oh my god, that apparently is a full-sized derma roller, retailing at £42. The needles are 0.3 millimeters. This is from several dermatologists that I have undergone derma rolling for pitted acne scars. Never do that at home is what I have been told, and I'll tell you why. You will never be able to achieve full aseptic conditions, and if you are an acne prone person, the risk of further breakouts is a lot more. You can also end up damaging your skin really badly. I don't care how much an expert you are, how it is worked so much and all that. My derms have said don't do it, and I think, I'm not a registered, both certified dermatologist with an MD to my name. So I listen to those people who have, come a long way after dissecting bodies and things. I'd probably faint at the sight of blood and puke at the sight of all that. And those people have come a long way. They put in the hard work and they say, don't do it. I'm not going to do it. I think it is very, very irresponsible for brands to send out derma rollers and things in beauty boxes and advent calendars. Now, presuming that you are a trained esthetician or, your dermatologist has taught you to do it, which is fine, by all means. If your dermatologist has taught you to do it, well and good. I'm definitely on your side. But I think it is very, very irresponsible for brands to include this sort of product in beauty boxes and advent calendars, where people without knowledge of aseptic conditions and so on may do it and then end up having, acne, skin infections, skin problems, skin damage and so on. This is really irresponsible. It's a lawsuit waiting to happen. I cannot condone this product at all. They've also included 7 mils of the eye booster concentrate with this product. The next product is the Hello Love hair clip feed. As you can see there, it's a hair clip, full size, retailing at £8. £8, £8, £8. No, that wasn't an echo turning up suddenly out of the blue or something in this room. I have anti-echo panels installed here. When I first moved in here, there was a bad echo. You can see that in my Estee Lauder Pure Color Love Lipstick review. Big echo in this room. Now there is no echo. But yeah, that wasn't an echo, it was just shock. Because, these things are tart that you get for a quid or so in, places like Poundland and things, or, a few pence. This is insane. This is insane. The next product. Need I tell you what this is? Slip. Slip. So you get 2, pack of 6 is full sized. You can't even send a pack of 6. I don't care how good they are for the hair. I completely agree they don't break the hair as much as regular ones do and all that yada 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 blah blah blah. True, true, true. But yeah, they don't belong to a beauty box which needs exciting makeup and skincare. The next product is the Aloe Yoga Mega C Body Wash 200 mils, indeed full size, retailing at £28. Next you have from Virtue the Recovery Shampoo and Conditioner. You only get 60 mils a piece. Full size is 240 mils for the shampoo and 200 mils for the conditioner, which doesn't actually make sense to me, but what do I know? Next you have from Kat Burkey the Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream 30 mils, full size, indeed retailing at £70. Next you have from Susan Kaufman Bath for the Senses 100 mils, sorry, 250 mils is full size, not going to count this. Next you have from MGO by Simon Orion the Rescue Sheet Mask and the Collagen Sheet Mask. Sorry, pack of 5 is full sized. Next you have from Cosmetics 27 the Balm 27, 15 mils is what you get, 50 mils is full sized. Next you have from Irene Ford the Hibiscus Night Cream. Last year's cohorted advent calendar included the exact same product at the same size. You get 30 mils, which retails at £88. Next you have from Macrin Actives the High Performance Neck and Décolletage Treatment. 30 mils is what you get, full size is 100 mils, not going to count it. The next product is from Malin and Gertz. You get the Dark Rum Mini Candle. Dark Rum, very nice, but full size is 225 grams. Next you have 15 mils of the Drunk Elephant Polypeptide Cream. Full size is 50 mils. You also get 8 mils of the Protein Power Peptide Serum, but full size is 30 mils. The next product is probably the nicest in this advent calendar. It is the Byredo Color Stick in Flower Play, full size, retailing at £36. For me, this is the most fun and exciting product in this advent calendar. Next you have from U Beauty the Resurfacing Compound. This used to be a big deal in pre-COVID advent calendars, year 2019 and so on. Everywhere you found the U Beauty Resurfacing Compound. You only get 15 mils here, full size is 50 mils. Next you have from Orbe, not a hair product though, you get the Côte d'Azur Nourishing Hand Cream 30 mils. Full size is 100 mils. Next you have from And Gretel the Luck Creme Eye Stick in the shade Pearl. Oh dear, that looks way too pale, rather, not pearl, pale for my skin tone. This is full size, retailing at £34. I wouldn't pay £34 for an eyeshadow stick, particularly one that is that big. Next you have from Milk Makeup the Lip and Cheek Blush in the shade Work. That is full size, retailing at £25. You also get 4 mils of the Pore Eclipse Blur Primer, which is full sized at 20 mils, but you only get 4 mils. You also get the Kush Mascara, 3 mils. This is a mini, full size is 8 mils. Oh dear. Next you have from Professor Dr. Steinkraus the Niacin Serum. This is 20% niacinamide, full size 30 mils, retailing at £88.70. Next you have from AIM, full size mascara, retailing at £26. Next you have from Cyrene the Aqualite Moisture Gel Lotion, 100 mils, full size, retailing at £63. Lastly you have a mini Boy Smells Candle, thankfully not in Phantom or anything this time. It is in Cashmere Kush. Full size is 240 grams, not going to count it. Oh dear, there are 9 full sizes in this advent calendar, which retails at £250. Where do I even start? Price breakdown. Dr. Levy roller, £42. Completely disagree. No roller costs £42. I had to buy a roller at my dermatologist. Had to buy. My name was written on it and everything. And I had to bring it with me each time I went back for my scar revision. That was right before COVID happened. And I did not pay £42 or anything near it. And that was, stronger derma roller. I think it was 1.5 mm per millimeters per needle. This is only 0.3 millimeters, which is safer, but yeah, you still need to do it under aseptic conditions and everything. Anyway, the price breakdown be £42 for that. Fine, I'll count it. The body wash is 28 quid and the hair clip is 8 quid. Oh dear, £78. The cat back is £70 and the Irene Ford is £88. You get £236, nearly the value there. Byredo is 36 quid, you get 272 and have passed the cost of the advent calendar. Oh dear. Niacin Serum, £88.20, you get £360.70. Mascara is 26 quid, you get 386.70. Lastly, the Aqualite Gel Lotion, £63, you get 449.70. So, the cost of the full sizes, the 9 full sizes in this advent calendar, do not add up even to double the price. I think this is, without a doubt, among the worst advent calendars of 2023, and I wouldn't be touching this with a barge pole if you paid me for it or if you threatened to pull out all my teeth without anesthesia. I'd rather have all my teeth pulled out without anesthesia than buy this thing. At a time when everybody around the world has cost of living problems and has financial constraints compared to how we all were 4 or 5 years ago, I think companies are being very irresponsible and blatantly greedy. But if you want a derma roller, the Beta cream, a hair clip for £8, scrunchies, and all the rest of it. Yeah, you heard that. A bunch of minis and a very pale eyeshadow stick priced at £34 and all the rest of it. Do listen to me. By all means, enjoy your advent calendar and do whatever makes you happy. Do whatever makes you happy. If blowing 250 quid on this tripe is what makes you happy, do go ahead. Don't listen to me. I think I'll stop talking now. That's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. And I'll speak to you soon.